Come on, man. I'm gonna come. Oh.
Alright, cool. Alright, what's up, everybody? We back here with David. We got the he got the MT09. We got the R6 like always. We're gonna be doing a little bike swap here, a little ride on. With that, take it easy. The throttle's real fucking responsive, and the front brake is real fucking strong.
Oh shit, good.
Yeah.
Excited.
Alright, we're gonna see what this thing's about. Gauge there. I'd like that fuel gauge. I want that.
You're with high school?
Yeah. I know what you're talking about. Like if you go up and then Susquehanna Trail or whatever. Yeah. I got you.
How you get on your bike? It's on.
Keys on.
Yeah.
Kill switch.
Oh.
Gotta make sure my pockets are zipped up here. Get a little cold start on this too. Oh shit, that's weird as fuck. It's just a pull down. I see how you got mine confused. Yours is weird. It's like a switch. Yeah.
You have to press the button.
Say what?
What's the temperature?
106.
That's not bad, yeah.
Yeah. Alright, see what we got here. We got our modes. What modes we got? Mode B, Mode A. I forgot to say, I have the clutch. It engages like way out here. It's almost at the end. Yeah, just give it a little like practice. Damn, this shit's same way. The fuck? This shit's like instant. This thing's weird. Oh my god. This thing's like completely upright. It feels so weird. Whew, it does sound good though. Oh my god, it sounds good. It doesn't tell you, no. It just shows you neutral. Oh fuck! I didn't even peep. All right. This throttle response is weird. It's weird. I don't know how to explain it. Pops up a little bit. Yo, buddy's going crazy with it. Mode 2, how do we do that? Oh, that's traction control. Oh, I got it now. There we go. Hold on a minute. You weren't ready for that. I see why people like these. I mean, obviously it's a lot different. It's like any other car. You hop in a different car and you ride it. It's a lot different. Yeah, that thing sounds crazy. Oh my God. This thing do be like, whew. This thing nice, man. Handles good. Alrighty guys, I know you're enjoying the video, but I have to interrupt here. So unfortunately the video cut out with me and David there on the last clip there. My batteries died, so that's unfortunate. I noticed it literally on the next light that we came up to. But if you guys are enjoying the video so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. We're almost at 200 subscribers. We're almost there, which is insane. And then we're only up from there. So hit the subscribe button, guys, so we can get into the YouTube algorithm. And we'll get back into the video here, guys. Peace out. Love y'all.
Oh my.
Overrated as f, in my opinion. I mean,
Holy shit.
Sucker. Oh man.
Sorry guys, I don't have much to talk about, but I'm just kind of enjoying this. Coming to a new place, you know? Also too, one thing, if you are new, give it a little tip. If you end up starting riding with a group, before you get comfortable with your bike, definitely stay towards the back of the group. Don't get involved with everything, especially on back roads like this. Even though I have experience, I always hang back. Hang back simply because you don't know what's on the road, you don't know what's going to happen. It gives you enough time to react. And especially here on the road where I'm trying to look at stuff and look around, I'm not looking at the road. I mean, I obviously am, but like, you know what I mean. So just a little tip for you guys. Look at that tower, that thing is sick. Look at that. You couldn't pay me enough to bike up that hill. Screw that. Yeah, look at that kid there. He's in like first gear. Here we are, guys. Oh my God, look at this. Holy. Oh. made it. Oh my god.
How do you think I feel?
God dang, look at this. Oh, this is so cool. Alright guys, we're going to take some pictures here and everything. Catch up with the other.